equation of line M is given by y is equal to 2x plus 5. Select the equation that represents a line parallel to line. Let's talk about parallel lines. Instead of crossing over each other, parallel lines travel side by side forever, completely locked in perfect synchronization. Now let's talk about the algebraic rule that governs this path. The fundamental rule for parallel lines is straightforward. They share the exact same slope. For two lines to travel through a coordinate plane without ever staring close together or drifting further apart, they must have identical steepness. So let's look at the baseline equation we're handed in question 33 for line M. Y is equal to 2x plus 5. Now, unlike our previous problem where the equation was scrambled in standard form, this line presented to us is in standard slope-intercept form, or y is equal to mx plus b. Now, this makes the math easier. We can look directly at the coefficient sitting in front of our variable x. The slope of line M is exactly 2. Because the question asks us to identify a line that is parallel to line M, our target slope requirement is simple. We're hunting for a line that also has a slope of exactly 2. Now, we don't need to change signs and we don't need to flip any fractions. We just need to find an equation where M is equal to 2. The y-intercept, on the other hand, can be any number other than 5. Because if it were also 5, it would be the exact same line, not a parallel line running alongside it. So let's evaluate our answer choices. In option A, y is equal to negative 2x plus 5. This gives us a slope of negative 2. Now that changes direction completely, creating an intersecting line, not a parallel line. Just a reminder, we're searching for an equation where m is equal to 2. Let's look at option C. Y is equal to 5/10 x plus 1. This gives us a slope of 1/2, which is the reciprocal. In option D, y is equal to negative 5/10 x plus 8 gives us a negative fraction, which would actually be perpendicular to our line. Now that leaves us with option B. Y is equal to 2x minus 3. Here, the slope is exactly 2, matching line M perfectly, while its y-intercept drops down to negative 3. So in summary, finding a parallel line is all about checking for visual symmetry in the math. You isolate the slope of your primary line and you find its twin in the answer choices. Option B matches our target slope of 2, so option B is our correct answer.